Hi, here is the mockup image that is downloaded from pinterest.com. I'm clicking here to see the before and after. This is the after editing. I'm clicking here and simply double click on the smart object. Click on the file in the menu bar and place embedded. Select one of them. I'm selecting from here this one. Adjust the pattern on the artwork. Hit enter. Press Ctrl S. Close the window. Here is the after. By the way, my name is Tufan and welcome to my channel TK Graphics. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create an editable mockup in Photoshop. Let's get started. Here is the mockup image. I have to create a mockup on this image. So first of all, I have to select this object. So go to the left toolbar and click on the object selection. Now you can see here is the gear icon beside the lasso. I will click here and choose from here lasso. You will find out here two object, rectangle and lasso. I will select from here lasso tool and draw around this object. It could be take some time, so wait and see. Now I need to deselect some areas. Hold down Alt or Option key and draw around the unwanted object. Hold down Alt or Option again and draw around there. Okay, the object is selected. Now press Ctrl or Command J from your keyboard to make a duplicate of this object. Now I need to create a rectangle shape on this image. So go to the left toolbar and select rectangle tool and click a shape on this image. Okay, adjust the shape on the object. Now right click on the layer name, keep the name Mockup image. Also I will rename this layer. Just double click on the layer name and keep the name object. Now right click on the mockup image layer and choose from here convert to smart object. Now double click on the smart object. Now click on the file in the menu bar and select place embedded. I will select one of them. I'm selecting this one. Now adjust this pattern on the artwork. Hit enter. Again click on the file and then save. Now close the window. Now right click on the mockup image layer and choose from here create clipping mask. Okay, now change the blending option. Keep the blending option linear bar. Now select the layer and click on the layer style and blending option. Just simply underlying layer, white portion I will drag this right to left. Hold down Alt or Option key and click on the triangle to divide this. Drag it right and little bit. Okay, it's okay. After that, click on the OK. Select these layers. Press Ctrl G. Double click on the layer name. Keep the name Mockup. Hit enter. Okay, it has done. Now simply click here and double click on the smart object. Click on the file in the menu bar and place embedded. Choose one of them. I am selecting this one. Adjust the pattern on the artwork. Click the check mark and click on the file and then save. Close the window and here you go. I hope you will enjoy this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you find this video helpful and feel free to share your thoughts and questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.